Hello, how are you? I'm M. Hello, how are you? I'm K. And today, together we will teach you correlative conjunctions. Now, as you know that what a conjunction is, and you also have mastered coordinating conjunctions, and I'm pretty sure you understand subordinating conjunctions too. And there is just one more hurdle now between you and total conjunction domination, that is correlative conjunctions. Fear not, today through this video you will understand that also. So what a correlative means correlate. Co is a Latin word which means work together, and the word relative pertains to your uncle, grandmother, grandfather and someone you are related to. So they work together and relate one sentence element to another. So correlative conjunctions are not single words, they work in pairs and you have to use both of them in different places in a sentence to make them work. And there are four major pairs of correlative conjunctions: both and, either or, neither nor, and not only but also. My dear student, there are two pronunciations for this word either or. You could say either or neither nor. Both are correct. Let's begin with both and. So this figure represents what is the meaning of both and what is the meaning of either and what is the meaning of neither. So both and connects to either two subjects or two objects, right? See how Ria went to see the Taj Mahal and Meera went to see the Taj Mahal. So if you want to make it a simple compound sentence, how could we do that? We'll use the correlative conjunction and we'll frame it like this way. Both Ria and Meera went to see the Taj Mahal. So here Ria and Meera are both subjects which are connected with both and. Let's look at for how we connect two objects. I ate a burger. I ate some French fries. So to make it simple to say, rather saying two sentences, we should say one sentence for this. And it should be, I ate both burger and French fries. So here burger and your French fries are two objects, right? Which we are connecting with both and as a correlative conjunctions. So let's move on to either or either or. So it indicates choices between two subjects or two objects. Let's understand how we show the choices of two subjects and two objects here. Example. So the student can answer the question. The teacher can answer the question. So how we can combine this to one sentence using correlative conjunction either or? Let's see how. So either the student or the teacher can answer the question. So the student and the teacher are two subjects which are connected with the correlative conjunction either or. Moving on, how we connect two objects with either or. She could be in the garage. She could be in the backyard. So let's connect these two objects using either or and make one sentence out of them. She could be either in the garage or in the backyard. So here in the garage is an object and the backyard is also an object. So how we can combine those two objects together using either or? We are putting on the choices here. She could be either in the garage or in the backyard. Let's move on to our neither and nor. So it indicates rejection between two subjects or two objects. Let's see for the subjects. I don't want cucumbers on my hamburger. And I don't want tomatoes on my hamburger. So to make it easier to say together, we could say, I want neither cucumbers nor tomato on my hamburger. So here cucumbers and your tomatoes are two objects. So I don't want cucumbers, I don't want tomatoes, right? So this is one sentence. We could say this way, I want neither cucumbers nor tomato on my hamburger. Let's look at for subjects, how we can connect subject. Nancy can find the shoe. Rohit can't find the shoe. So we could say, neither Nancy nor Rohit can find the shoe. So here Nancy and Rohit are two subjects which are connected using neither and nor. Let's move on to our next, not only but also. This is a little complicated one, and it indicates an additional information and surprise, and can also connect nouns or adjectives, and it can also connect entire clauses. Let's see how. I played the flute and I also played the clarinet. So I'm telling you what two things I do. Not only do I play the flute, but I also play the clarinet. So when you are connecting two clauses together, did you see the word do here? So you need to use do as a question form here. It is a rule in English when you are connecting two clauses together with the correlative conjunction, not only and but also, you need to use this. Like if I say I'll see the match and I'll also see the movie. So not only will I see the movie, but also I see the match. So this is how we are going to connect the sentences using not only but also. Remember this point. Moving on. Let's see how we can connect two nouns to this. They stole the TV and they stole also the satellite dish, our TV satellite dish. So they stole not only the TV but also the satellite. So here we are not using any comma like we did in the previous case. Go back to on the video and see there is a comma. And here, because we were connecting a clause to an independent clause to another independent clause, and we were forming a compound sentence. And here there is no comma because here we don't have any clause after but also. The satellite dish is simply a noun phrase, so it is not a clause, right? So we are not going to put any comma here. This you need to remember.